This video is on parallel plate capacitors. Here's the formula that you're going to use for solving for the capacitance on those. So the capacitance is equal to the dielectric constant multiplied by the area divided by the distance between the plates multiplied by the absolute permittivity of free space. So here are the two plates of a capacitor. Here's would be the area. D is the distance between these two plates. And then you have down here the dielectric constant. It's got no units. It's a ratio of the electric flux in the insulator to the electric flux in a vacuum. So here actually, oh, where'd my mouse go? Here you go. So right here, this is where the insulator would go. And it's just to prevent the electricity from arcing across. So why don't we go ahead and try to work out a problem with these. And just so you know, the dielectric constant of air is just equal to 1. I didn't actually write that into here, but you can find that in any physics books. So let's calculate the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor with an area of 10 square meters, a distance from here to here, a distance of 2 centimeters, and with an insulator of air. So first thing we would do is we would use this formula, which is the capacitance is equal to the let me write it out real quick. It's kind of the distance times, well, this would be epsilon naught. So here we have the capacitance is equal to the dielectric constant multiplied by the area divided by the distance multiplied by the absolute permittivity of free space. So let's plug in those values. So we're going to have 1, that's the dielectric constant of air, multiplied by the area, which was 10 square meters, divided by the distance between them, which was 2 centimeters, which is 0.02 meters, and multiply that by 8.85 times 10 to the negative 12 farads per meter. So here you'll notice that you have 1 meter on the bottom and another meter down here. So these two are actually going to cancel out with this meter square, which will leave us just the farads. So if you multiply those out, which I would just pop this into your calculator, you're going to get the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor is equal to 4.425 times 10 to the negative 9 farads. And yeah, that's how you would use that formula to solve for the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. So yeah, I hope you liked the video. I hope it made sense. And good luck in your classes.